The market gamma today is at 45.34 and we are slightly above it on SPX, around 45.65. The good thing is that the gamma was increasing, the market gamma was increasing the whole week. I think we started at around 45.10 and the put gamma was puts were accumulated, which is really good. So if you're expecting a pullback, hopefully it will be next week, but that's just one part of the story. Another one is that if you check the most correlated charts historically, you will see that most of the moves will end up higher in 30 or 40 days. So 61% historically were bullish and 38 were bearish. So not really good, with average decline around 2 and 6 and the average increase at 347. So yeah, two very different stories. The market gamma says that we hopefully will pull back soon. The charts tell us that probably we will go up from here, but if you will check the chart, it doesn't really look like we can go much up from here. We really need a pullback, and from the mid-November we are just standing at the same place. We're doing literally nothing. So let's see, what do we have? As always, let's start with ETFs, emerging markets first, but oh yeah, it's just long straddle. No. IWM, 15 trades, but only put, and we already long puts here, so definitely not. If you are not though, then it is a really good idea, because puts are really cheap. I think the 3%, well, it's not IWM but SPX, 3% out of the money put was the cheapest over the last 3 or 4 years, I think, earlier this week. So yeah, if you need a protection, then it's a really good time to buy it now. Nasdaq, again just puts. Well, it's interesting, the picture is also changed here with options, because our last trades, our last searches, they were always indicating the debit vertical calls, which were good, and now we do not see any. Yeah, even SPY, nothing here, no debit vertical calls at all, which I would buy probably just to hedge the downside, because I'm really heavy on the bearish side. I have like probably 3-4 long put positions in IWM, Qs. I think bearish put verticals on Microsoft and something similar. So let's see, debit vertical call here on Cisco, plug. Where is the Cisco right now? Not my favorite company to trade. Oh, that looks ugly. So they went from like 54, yeah, to 48. That's a lot. People didn't like their earnings. Plug. Oh, that's just insane. Plug the debit vertical from 5 to 10. That will not work at all. But let's see, just for fun, where is the plug today? And that's actually interesting. That is actually interesting. If it's, oh yeah, it's super cheap. It's like 28. And what is the beta? Do we see the beta here? Beta is 1 and 9. So this is interesting. This can be a good trade just to be on the long side of the market. we will keep it in our back of our heads. Square, or they called block. I'm still used to square, and I see the SQ, it's square for me. TTD. No, it is not. No. And phase, it's also just like plug, same green company. Almost nothing interesting on the long side. This one, this plug, well, maybe, but I don't even know if it's worth it. Long call, AMD, same thing, just nothing interesting. And long strangle, maybe there is something. I would prefer to have well, no, I don't know, I already have too many puts. Nothing at all. Well, this is not a big problem, of course, because we will have it next week probably, because market is doing nothing changes, so there are no interesting trades, and we're on the same place, and we're at pretty big, no, we are not at resistance, well, and we're not even at resistance, I think, yeah. And we're not moving up, so yes, I do expect a pullback. I say it for a week, I think, if not two. So this is it for today. You can go and try to download the Bullish Trade application. We added a new really nice feature that shows you historical correlation of the current chart to charts in the past, so you can see statistically what to expect from the next move over the next 30 or 40 days. So for today, this is it. Have a good day. Subscribe, like the video, all that stuff.